if you say hey Siri or Siri, but if you press the side button, your Siri will be turning on. How to enable Hey Siri on your iPhone 17 Pro Max series? For that, simply open up your setting and go the Apple Intelligent. If you want to enable Apple Intelligent, the light button, then you can enable this option. But if you want to enable Siri only, then go talk to Siri and press on Hey Siri. Press on continue. Siri, how's the weather? And complete this process. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get direction home. Siri, play some music. Siri, play some music. And once done, press on done. Now if you press the side button, or if you say hey Siri, as you can see, it's now working. And if you want to listen Siri, then here you can see the option Siri response. Just select prefer spoken, then Siri is talking. Hey Siri, what is the day of today?
It's Sunday, December 28th, 2025.
Thank you. Please subscribe and do